So today is hopefully the last part of the making the exhaust little series. The plan is that there's a track day on down at Goodwood today, which is about an hour's drive for me. If you can see out there, it's a beautiful day out there. So if anything, it's just an excuse to get out in the car really, but it's handy to get the noise test done before I book a track day. I don't want to be panicking on the morning. So I've already contacted them and they're quite happy to noise test my car. So it's a case of getting on down there and taking, somehow trying to pack into the car, because there's no boot or anything, the various extra bits of exhaust, so if it is too loud I can add bits on and get them to check them with the, the extra cans and the baffles and all the different options I've made to this. Anyway, so it's breakfast time for me before I head off, so let's get going. So one of the problems with having a toy car is when you've actually got to carry anything, it involves a lot of bungee straps and ingenuity to try and make sure none of this is going to fall out on the way to Goodwood. So I'll have my fingers crossed the whole way. I'm sure it'll be fine. Off we go to Goodwood. It'll be a good day. Noise test done with the new can and nothing extra, and I've written it down on my notepad. 105, so as suspected we need to get this down, and of course we're at Goodwood track day, so it'd be rude not to have a quick look around. I suspect this is probably not one of the track days that I ever get to play on. Oh, there's K-Twin here. Right, so that's version 2 all attached, ready to test. First thing I had to do was to get coffee when I was there. And like a complete pillock, I forgot to bring the baffle inserts, but I'm pretty sure they're 2 dB, so we can see what difference this makes. Cans on the end and my cunning separation, we have 101 dB, so that's lost 4 dB. I'm stupidly demonstrating my ADHD trait of not remembering everything, and I didn't bring the insertable baffles, which is a bit of a stupid thing to have done. But they will probably bring me down okay, but I'm just going to try the other exhaust anyway. Well, the absolute knob I am, I didn't check the ends on this can that was on before. Of course it's a pushover, and so's that. And one ain't going to go inside the other. So that's it for noise testing. We've got a 105 with nothing and a 101 with. A lot of tracks are 100. I did the test at 7,000 RPM, which is a little bit high, so I'm pretty sure I can get under the 100 dB. Here's 98 at Goodwood's 98 on their cheaper track days, unlike today, which is a GRRC day. But you'll be surprised to know my income doesn't cover me to be coming to GRRC track days. I mean, there's not even a queue to get out on track. Who's ever heard of that in Goodwood? If this is coming out in the video, but obviously I was stupid enough to believe the forecast that said it was going to be sunny all morning, the occasional very light shower in the afternoon. Suddenly we're blowing on what's the name here. I'm hiding underneath the fueling thing. Hi, thanks for getting to the end of the video. If you're not already subscribed, please do so now. Just hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell button, and that way YouTube will tell you when there's any new videos. We've got some big plans ahead for the channel, including possibly a car build from scratch. So if you want to get involved with that, now's the time to subscribe. Cheers then, bye.